can move another kind of concept. What is the concept? JavaScript operators. JavaScript
Sir, we need to
operators.
use order wise only, sir.
Not required any order you can use. That is
Okay,
not a
okay,
matter. Just a
okay,
declaration part only you need to focus. And list out
okay,
purpose, I'm going to using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is not a matter.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Next, we need to focus what? Operators. First one is arithmetic operators. These operators from the childhood onwards, you people know that one. Mathematics, basic mathematics operations here. Operations are operators. Okay. So how to check this one? Go to here. First one, we are going to creating separate. We are going to using directly script, JavaScript file. Okay. We are not writing HTML. Why? Because you know how to execute the script without a browser also. Okay. Now I need to provide here arithmetic.js. Okay. Here we need to define variable x equal to 10. Variable y equal to 5. Okay. And you can use operators. We are sum equal to x plus y. Okay. You can write console dot log of sum equal to plus sum. You can use this kind of one plus operator. Okay. Next, I need to use var. I need to provide here difference equal to x minus y. Okay. Console dot log of. We need to provide here what? Difference or subtract. Difference equal to plus difference you need to specify so that it is going to get. Similarly, product var product equal to x star y. There is no into symbol in the computer. So star. So here we need to provide console dot log of. We need to provide here. This is the product, right? So we need to use product equal to plus product value we are going to define. Next, I need to use coefficient. So how to define that one? We are okay. Coefficient value I need to use equal to x by y. It is returning what? Division value. Coefficient is slash is nothing but a division operator. Okay. So we need to provide here console dot log. I need to use here quotient value equal to plus coefficient I'm going to provide it. Next, we need to provide here var reminder value. Reminder, how to get that reminder? Modular operator we are using. Modular operator means percentile. X percentile y I'm going to using that one. Here I need to use console dot log of. Here I need to provide what? Reminder. We need to use here quotations level reminder. We are good using plus here reminder value we are going to pass in. Next, we are going to using increment operators. We are increment equal to x plus plus x value. It is going to incremented by the 1. Okay. We are going to discussing pre-increment and post-increment separately. Separate program we are going to observe. So before plus plus, after plus plus, if I'm going to using that one, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay. Here we need to provide VS Code level. We are observe that one. Pre and post increment kind of functionalities we are going to write separately. So what is the difference between before and after kind of pluses. Before if I'm using what is the difference, after if I'm using what is the difference also you can able to understand. But in this particular script file level, just you can use x plus plus 1. Okay. Next, here we need to provide console dot log. I need to provide here increment value plus increment I'm going to pass in. Next, I need to use here var decrement equal to, I need to provide here y minus minus, I'm going to provide it. After that, console dot log, need to provide here and decrement equal to plus. This is the way you need to practice. Lot of patience is required. UI developer means patience. If you don't have patience, you are not suitable for UI developer. Okay, just for reference purpose, I'm going to providing this script. This is the arithmetic operators it is going to cover. Now, how to execute this one? The console level through the node.js, you can able to execute. How to execute? Node space, what is the file name? What is the file name I'm given? That file name I need to pass here .js, so that it is going to get a result. Addition, subtraction, all kind of things it is going to working fine and it is going to display. Okay, so here this is the way we are going to get some differences. So product, quotient value, remainder value, increment, okay, and decrement. After increment it is decrementing. Okay, so this is the way we are going to using what? Arithmetic operators. Next, quickly understanding another kind of operator is assignment operators. Next, you need to focus on what? Assignment operators. This is the running nodes. I will share that in the chat box level also. Next, second one is assignment operators. Meanwhile, you people are preparing running notes. Whatever I'm going to explaining, you can also take one notes and note down what are the concepts today we are discussed, right? So what are the points I'm going to mention? Notes also prepare. That is a good habit. Okay. Now I need to provide here var x, or else you can take any kind of variable m equal to 10. So this one, how to use assignment operators, arithmetic operators before, arithmetic operators after. You can use equal to. That is nothing but a assignment operators. For example, here we need to use m plus equal to 5. What is the meaning of this one? M equal to m plus 5. M value already 10. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. That is the meaning of that one. If I'm using here console.log of m, you can get what? 15. Here it is going to get the 15. Next, m minus equal to, I'm going to provide the 3. What the meaning of this one? M equal to m minus 3. That means m value is what? Already 15. 15 minus 3 equal to 12. Okay. Next. Similarly, m star equal to 2. What is the meaning of this one? M equal to m star 2. What is the m value? Already 12. 12 into 2, 24. So 24 we are going to get. Next, m slash equal to 4 I am going to providing. 4 I am going to providing. What is the value of this m value? M equal to m by 4. That means 12 by 24 by 24 by 4. That means 6. Okay. So next, I need to provide here modular operator. M modular equal to 2. Obviously, remainder is 0 only. We are going to get here M equal to M modular 2. That is nothing but a 0 value. It is going to get this one. If you want to check these values, just copy this one. Each and every statement after, you can add this one. You can able to check. You can able to check the value. How to check assignment operator like that? I need to create one file. So go to here and creating assignment.js. So just I'm going to copy paste that one. So here this is the comment. Otherwise it is showing the error. So this is the way, just whatever I'm going to return, that one I'm going to copy paste here and executing. Values are getting or not properly. So here we need to use node space assignment.js. So whatever the expected values are there, that values we are getting or not, you need to check here. We are going to expected 15, yes, 15, 12, 12, 24, right? And we are going to see the 6 and 0. Perfect. So this is the way we are going to using what? Assignment operators. Next, we need to understand. Next, we need to understand another type of operator is assignment operators. So finish comparison operator or relational operators. So we need to focus. Third one is comparison. So we need to use here comparison operators. So here, what are the comparison? Equal to, double equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, no, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, you can able to define. For example, VAR A equal to 5, I'm going to define. VAR B equal to 10, I'm going to define. Okay. VAR E, I'm going to say is equal to, I need to define here what? Here, it is going to return basically true or false kind of things. Okay. A equal to B. This is the way we are going to use it. Okay. So this value console.log of is equal. Here you need to provide quotations level, your understanding purpose. This is the way I'm going to providing is equal. So this is the way we are going to define. Next is not equal. How to get that one? We are is not equal to, you need to provide what? A is not equal to symbol is explanatory symbol equal to. This is nothing but a not equal to. Okay, this is the way we are going to get that boolean value. It is storing into the is not equal. So that we are going to using here console dot log of, here I need to provide what? Quotations level A not equal to B plus I need to use is not equal. This is the way we need to check. Okay. Next is greater than. VAR is greater equal to, how to check that one? A greater than B. So here console dot log, here I need to provide A greater than B. True or false, it is going to showing that one. Here you need to use is greater. So this is the way you need to check. Next is less than. VAR is less equal to A less than B. Directly also console level you can able to provide, but your understanding purpose, that symbol meaning understanding purpose, I'm taking the variable. Otherwise console.log level you can able to write directly. Okay. So here we need to provide console.log. Here I need to provide A less than B plus is less. So this is the way we are going to checking. Next, after that, is greater or equal. How to check this one? AR is greater or equal to, I need to provide here A greater than or equal to B. Okay, now we need to use console dot log. Here we need to provide A greater than or equal to B, quotations and plus is greater or equal. Next, is less than or equal. Okay, so VAR is less or equal to, we need to provide what? A less than or equal to, A less than or equal to B. This is the way we are going to define. Every statement end with a semicolon. Next, console dot log of, we need to provide here what? Quotations level A less than or equal to B plus is less. It is returning what? Boolean value. Boolean value means true or false. True or false we are going to provide it. This is the comparison kind of operators or relational operators. Comparison, or we can say relational operators. Okay, just take this kind of way and test create the one file and copy paste and execute that one. Next, I need to write here logical operators. Logical, here I'm going to say logical operators. What are the logical operators? Anyone knows that one? Logical operators who are coming from electronic background, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Anyone, any idea is there? Please do that kind of R&D. Just I'm going to showing here simple kind of statements. Try to understand AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, any electronic background. If you are not aware that one, your number is converted into the bytes, ones and zeros, ones complement, twos complement. Any idea? If you don't know that one, don't know it, think too much. Your compiler will take care of that one. But what the functionality, you need to observe this one. Observation based, you need to get the more clarity for this one. Okay. So here we need to provide X equal to true. VAR Y equal to false. Okay. False. Now VAR, I need to use AND result. AND result equal to X double ampersand Y. VAR on result equal to X or pipe symbol we are using Y semicolon. VAR no result equal to not X. This is the way we are going to define. How to check this one? You need to use console.log. Otherwise, it is not able to print. Okay, and result. Similarly, here also you need to use console dot. I need to, you can able to see visible is that console dot log. I need to provide here what? On, it's not a on or kind of result or. So here you need to provide or result. Okay, next you need to see here console dot log. I need to provide here what? No result or not result. Instead of going to say no, I need to provide here what? Not result. So not operator, you need to understand that one, not result. Okay, so this is the way we are going to providing logical operators. Next, what are the other kind of operators? Unary operator. Unary operator is not symbol we are going to using. For example, for that one, unary operators. VAR A equal to, I don't want to skip each and every topic. So that's the reason even simple also, I'm going to writing here simple example. Try to practice. Okay. Each and everything we are going to discussing. We are not skipping anything. This is important. This is not important. Not like that. Each and everything we are going to discussing. Practice. Even if you are aware also, try to practice these examples. VAR A equal to 5. VAR B equal to minus A. Okay, now we are going to using VAR is true equal to, I'm going to providing not false. These are the negation. Negation is not a minus here. We are going to provide the negation. We are going to using negation kind of symbol. So these are all we can call it as a this negation, this exclamatory symbol. We are going to call it as a what? Unary operators. You can use console.log and try to print that one. You can get the exact what the logical kind of. This is the logical kind of one. This is negation kind of value. We are going to get that one. So next another kind of operator, string operators also. String. We are going to discussing very detailedly. String level also different kind of methods are available, but basic things I'm going to providing here. Basic operation only I'm going to providing here. VAR first name equal to, I need to provide here Chandra. Next VAR last name equal to, I need to provide Sekhar. Now I need to provide VAR full name equal to first name plus some space I need to provide, that is the purpose, plus I need to provide here last name. This is the kind of statements we are going to using in the application development level. Okay, so these are the commonly used operators. These are the commonly used operators. Next we need to understand loops. JavaScript level flow controls, flow controlling how it is going to happening, flow controls. We are going to using flow controls are if condition we are using, if else we are using, if else if we are using, and switch case we are using, and we are going to using the while loop and do while loop and for loop and for each kind of loops. So different kind of things we are going to discussing. So those things, simple example I'm going to typing here. You need to create one file and you need to practice. You need to practice. Otherwise, in the coming sessions are very difficult. Okay, one thing we need to give the quick example. Again, detailedly we are going to focusing some programs. We are going to JavaScript programs. We are going to start in the tomorrow. Just basic level.